Today I will be showing you how to remove the rear door handle on this Hyundai Elantra. The first step is to open the rear door and locate the black grommet on the inside. I will be using this flat pick from Titan Tools to remove the grommet. The removal process is simple. Slide the pick underneath the grommet and carefully apply pressure outward. I am also using my finger as well to apply pressure to help pop the grommet off. With the grommet removed, you can now see there is an 8mm bolt which locks the handle cap in place. Carefully remove this bolt without dropping it. With the bolt removed, we can now remove the door handle cap. Pull the door handle outward and use your fingers to pop the handle cap off. Now grab the door handle and pull backwards to release it from the carrier. Rotate it outwards and it is removed from the vehicle.